Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dharma Foundation. Today in this video I am going to explain you some basic formulas of complex numbers and some problems based on those formulas. So let's start. Complex numbers. As I said in my previous video, complex numbers how we denote it is z equals to a plus ib. Here a is real part and b is imaginary part. Now argument of z equals to argument of z equals to tan inverse b by a. So let's take the example of 0. How we can write 0 in a complex form? This z equals to 0 plus I into 0. So what is the argument of 0? Argument of this 0 is equals to tan inverse. What is b here? B is 0 and a is 0. So what is 0 by 0? It is undefined. So argument of 0 is undefined. So now let's go to the second topic. Polar form of complex number. So what is the formula? This formula of this polar form of complex number? How we can derive? What is the equation of formula of a complex number? Z is equals to a plus ib. R equals to z is equals to x plus iy. So let's take x equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta. So what is the polar form of this equation? Z is equals to r cos theta plus r sin theta. Here we can take r common. So what? R into cos theta plus sin theta. So this is the polar form of complex number. Polar form. Next, Euler's formula. What is the Euler's formula? Euler's formula is about this cos theta plus I sin theta is equals to e power I theta. So if it is given like e power I into theta, if you take pi by 4, what is this equation will become? Is equals to cos of, in theta place we have pi by 4. So this equals to cos of pi by 4 plus I of sin of pi by 4. So what is the value of pi by 4? If you go to the trigonometric table in my video, you can see the cos pi by 4 value. Cos pi by 4 is equals to pi means 180 degrees. Cos of 180 degrees by 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are 16, 20, 45. So this equals to cos 45 degrees plus I sin 45 degrees. So what is the value of cos 45? It is 1 by root 2. Again, what is the value of I sin 45? It is also 1 by root 2. So if you take the LCM of root 2 and root 2, the resultant will be root 2 only. So here in this LCM you will get 1. Again for I term you will get 1. So now rationalize this denominator 1 plus I into 1 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So this will become 1 into root 2 plus I 1 into root 2 I root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 2. So this is the complex number you will get for this e power I into pi by 4. So this e power I into pi by 4 equals to root 2 plus I root 2 by 2. And next concept is de Moivre's theorem. What it tells? This cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n equals to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So for example, this cos theta plus I sin theta power 3 is equals to cos 3 theta plus I sin 3 theta. So for n is equals to 3. So for n is equals to 10, so this will become cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 10 equals to cos 10 theta plus I sin 10 theta. So this is how we can expand for cos theta plus I sin theta power n. So here one question is, find the value of one plus I power 100 plus 1 minus I power 100. So how we can solve this problem? So first let us know the argument of, let us take this complex number as Z1 and this complex number as Z2. For Z1 complex number, argument of Z1 is equals to tan inverse, here B is 1 and A is 1. If it, here for Z1 B is equals to 1, A is equals to 1. So this equals to tan inverse 1. So in the trigonometric table, in the tan form, where we are getting one value, we will get it pi by 4. Tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 equals to pi by 4. So this is for argument of Z1. So now take for the argument of Z2. So this equals to tan inverse B. B term is here for -1. For A, you will take 1. So this equals to tan inverse of -1. Tan inverse of minus theta is equals to minus tan inverse theta. So this will become minus pi by 4. So now write this in Euler's formula. So how you can write Euler's formula? Euler's formula. This is pi by 4, e power I pi by 4. This is equals to cos pi by 4 plus I sin of pi by 4. So this will become cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 plus I sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Excuse me. So here polar form is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Next, Euler's formula. Euler's formula cos theta plus I sin theta is equals to e power I theta. And Beam-Hauer's theorem, r cos theta cos theta plus I sin theta power n equals to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So in this problem, 1 plus I, for 1 plus I Z1, if you take this is as Z1, argument equals to tan inverse B by A. B is 1, A is 1 equals to pi by 4. Again for Z2, argument equals to tan inverse minus 1 by 1, B is minus 1, A is 1 equals to minus pi by 4. As I said, tan inverse of minus theta equals to minus tan inverse theta. So this equals to minus theta. Theta comes in pi by 4 or pi by 3 or pi by 2 in this form only, right? Degrees. These are the degrees. Pi by 4 is 1 degree, pi by 3 is 1 degree, pi by 2 is 1 degree. So if you convert here for cos theta plus I sin theta is equals to e power I theta. Now here what is r here? R equals to under root a square plus b square. So what is a here? 1 and b is 1 under root. So equals to under root 2. So now for 1 plus I power 100, how we can write this equals to r power 100 into e power I into theta is how much? Pi by 4. Pi by 4 into 100 plus this e power minus I pi by 4 into 100. So this is how we can write. What is r here? R is root 2. Substitute root 2 power 100 into e power I into pi by 4 into 100. 4 ones are 4, 25s are 100. So I into 25 plus e power minus, this is also minus I into 25 pi. So what you will get next? So root 2 power of 100 equals to 2 power 50. Root 2 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 for root 2 power of 100, how we can write? Root 2 means 2 power 1 by 2. 2 power 1 by 2 into 100 . 2 power 1 by 2 into 100 into this e power I 25 pi plus e power minus I 25 pi. So this will become 2 power 50. 2 ones are 2 50s are. Next, how we can translate this equation e power I 25? This will become cos 25 pi plus I sin 25 pi. Another equation, cos 25 pi minus I sin 25 pi. This equation comes from De Moivre's theorem. So what will come next? So this 2 power 50, if you take all that in one bracket, plus I sin 25 pi plus cos 25 pi minus I sin 25 pi. So this plus I sin 25 pi minus I sin 25 pi will get cancelled. What will get? 2 power 50 into 2 cos 25 pi. So this 2 power 50 into 2 power 51, and this cos 25 pi value will get 1. So result will be 2 power 51. So the value of one plus I power 100 plus 1 minus I power 100 equals to 2 power 51. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching me. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. Thank you. See you in the next class.